Hello.star, TikTok, c'est moi. Et aujourd'hui, on va regarder sur TikTok, essayez pas de dire waouh.
You can see just how much pollen was in this tree after
Oh
it
my
was
goodness.
cut down. Check out just how many fish this guy can feed at once. Definitely be careful not to fall in. You can buy this insanely powerful flashlight. It's pretty tiny but really strong. Next up, these Transformers Halloween costumes are next level. All of the kids can actually transform into cars or vehicles. The heat coming out from this canyon seems to prevent you from littering. Like that can literally will not fall in. Somehow this golf ball was able to stay completely still after this swing. This bad bowling shot popped out at the last minute to get a strike. Like, what are the odds of that happening? That's so lucky. Believe it or not, these gears are not moving at all. The flashing colors just create the illusion that they are. Take a look at this watch that will spell out the time. It'll cost you about $1,000. You can buy your very own VR Mario Kart simulator.
Ça, c'est tellement chaud sur TikTok. À la mère, on reçoit apparemment les enfants des déguisés Halloween, hein, et déguisés Halloween en voiture, hein, on dirait Blay Blay. Hein. Et le monsieur qui nourrit pour les poissons. Il y a beaucoup de poissons. Waouh, waouh, waouh. Ça, c'est vraiment belle, ces trucs-là. Je vais mettre liker sur TikTok.
I bet I could make you say the word black.
Okay.
Try not to say it. What color is this?
Red.
Alright. What color is this?
Yellow.
Alright. Not too bad, not too bad. What about that?
White.
What are the colors of the American flag?
Red, white, and blue. Yeah.
Oh! I got you. I told you I could make you say blue.
You said black.
Wow, ce gars-là est complètement fort et vraiment chaud, je veux dire. Alors, sur notre... je vais chercher quelque chose. Ça, ce crayon-là est vraiment rouge. Le cube du iPhone, c'est blanc. Alors, une autre crayon, c'est bleu. Alors le garçon dit, tiens, on met le... du jaune, du punaise, c'est jaune. Regarde. Et ça, quelle est la couleur? Quelle est la couleur de le drapeau américain? Alors, c'est le drapeau américain, c'est rouge et blanc et bleu. Comme la couleur de mon chandail. Je crois que j'ai réussi.
The try not to say wow challenge. As you guys can see, this guy's cutting up a coconut all blissfully. Oh my god, he's actually doing some great work, and that looks delicious. I've never oh my, bro, what the heck? Okay, that was very fresh, like a super fresh. Speaking of where is this? Wait, what? You can just drink? Okay, what is that? That is insane. That is so much orange juice. That's ridiculous. What the heck? And no, do not tell me they're about to make some latte art here. But that just looks like milk. It looks like milk.
What?
Art. Is this milk art? It sounds like I'm saying milk fart. It's not a milk fart. It's what? She's slamming, just spanking this. What is this, making noodles? Is she making noodles? What is she making here? Oh my, bro, that is coming out so perfect. It is noodles. And now she's smacking her hand to make it all, that's cool.
Yo, tu as fait ça là? Il met dans on dirait du lait là. On met du café en arc-en-ciel, on dirait un arc-en-ciel là. Il met des nouilles. Il met des nouilles pour mettre le bol. Et il commence à couper, on dirait une pomme. Et il y a une orange. et écrasé sûrement du jus. Oh, la fille boit du jus d'orange, là. Ça, c'est ridicule.
Alright, in this video, try not to say wow, okay? Alright. Ooh! Wow! Damn! Ah, I did say wow, I lost. But you can't. When I see things like this, man, I get so excited. Like, I wanna mush it. I wanna smash it. Hurt it. Let me know what you think about this video. This video is so satisfying. Damn, man. I wish I can do this. Smash it really hard. Bitch, smash it. Put some more. Put some, a little bit more. A little bit more. Put a little bit more. Put a little bit more.
Wow, pourquoi pas quand tu mets on dirait des formes pas. On peut écraser tout avec un verre. Et tu mets beaucoup. Et tu écrases encore. Et troisième, beaucoup. Et tu écrases. Ça, c'est tellement beau. Moi, je vais liker ces vidéos et je vais mettre un commentaire. Je dis, wow.
Hello friends, it's me, and today we are here with...
Me, Digital Next.
And today we're gonna try not to say wow. Your whole life you've been eating pineapple raw.
Whoa.
C'est Sniper
wait.
You
Wolf.
literally just said... We just started this video.
I know, but that was actually kind of mesmerizing.
Look how they do it. Prismatize me, Captain.
I couldn't find the words. Thank you for. It's a prism.
Yeah. Bro, how is he doing that? He's just going like... He just knocked the triangle out of it. Oh no, it's getting bigger. It's super fuzzy.
Imagine throwing that snowball at someone.
Oh, it's freezing it. It took me a hot minute to like realize it's frozen. Wait, no. What? Don't give me that look.
Tap it.
Ooh.
Oh, on dirait une bulle
Oh no.
dans un restaurant.
Delicious.
Une pomme.
I thought you were
Oh,
gonna
en
go
forme
for
du
that.
gâteau. Non!
He did.
Ça, c'est vraiment ridicule. Hein. On va couper le gâteau avec une pomme. Il y a une main sur les bras, on peut couper le gâteau. Ça, c'est vraiment terrible. Vraiment dégoûtant. Ah, Seigneur Jésus. Comment j'ai crié là. Ah. Hey, wanna play? Favorite color? Purple. Favorite fruit? Super. Favorite sport? Baseball. Favorite movie? Spider Jam. Favorite dish show? Boss. Well done. Vraiment, ce message, vraiment, on va faire un jeu, ce message, sur TikTok. Et la prochaine fois, on va jouer un jeu. Alors, en fait, qu'est-ce que tu aimes en retrait, ça veut dire, vous allez gagner, youpi. Alors, tu vas pas gagner, enfin, tu peux gagner une médaille.
Try not to say wow. Watch this super trippy iPhone background that makes it seem like you can look inside of the phone. Someone took a video of their view over the Alps in Italy. It must be quite a hike to get up to those mountains. Look at this photo of one of the world's tallest statues located in Japan. Watch this super satisfying video of a bubble bouncing on water. And when it finally pops, it lets out this cool color-changing smoke. Check out this image of a distant galaxy called the Pillars of Creation. It's over 6,000 light years away. Take a look at this super cool cloud that circles over these mountains for hours. It almost looks like a flying saucer. This video, shot from the International Space Station, shows you what a rocket launch looks like from space. It's pretty amazing to watch.
Ouais, c'est un iPhone, c'est complètement beau. On dirait vraiment du ville, on dirait un New York. Et vraiment, on dirait un ballon au ballon ou une bulle. Ça explose. Dans l'espace, il y a beaucoup. Notamment ce Google Maps. Il y a du cercle en nuage. Ça, c'est vraiment beau. Waouh, c'est vraiment chaud. Comme il est vraiment chaud. Tu as vu comme un animal qui a fait, il fait sauter et ralentit. Waouh, ça c'est vraiment cool. Ou je veux dire, waouh. Ça c'est vraiment chaud ce souris-là. Alors, comment comment la reprend cette lumière est tellement vraiment cool. On dirait un flocon de neige ou la reine de neige. Et normalement, on dirait une forme de flocon de neige ou des étoiles, hein. Et on dirait du soleil, hein. C'est mauve, rouge. Waouh, on dirait une étoile de Jésus. Un cercle, on dirait comme une forme de gang d'une Chine. Ça, c'est vraiment beau. Waouh. Et merci, regardez cette vidéo et likez. Et c'est des vidéos, abonne-moi. C'est Nono.StarTikTok. Enfin, guys, sûrement allez sur mon compte de TikTok ou Instagram. Allez sur mon compte Instagram, Nono.Star. Et allez sur Snapchat, Nono Junior. Et le tour de réseaux sociaux alors normalement on dirait normalement essayez pas dire waouh. Ça va pas, je veux dire waouh. Et merci. Regardez cette vidéo et sur Nono.StarTikTok et likez cette vidéo, ok?
It's a remix and I'm coming with that bow, bow, bow. Pretty bitch, I'm tryna hit her with that bow, bow, bow. Can't catch me slipping, I'ma up it when I bow, bow, bow. And bitches dance, I throw them bands and make them dance, nigga.